Ever feel like you're battling an unseen enemy in your home? That's hard water buildup, an all too common problem that can leave unsightly deposits on your fixtures, appliances, and surfaces. But don't despair. There's a simple and effective solution to this issue. The first step to tackle hard water buildup is to identify it. If you notice a white, chalky residue on your faucets, shower heads, or appliances, chances are it's hard water buildup. This is caused by minerals like calcium and magnesium in your water supply that, over time, can accumulate on surfaces. Now, onto the solution. Start by gathering your tools. You'll need white vinegar, a spray bottle, a soft cloth, and some elbow grease. White vinegar is a natural and potent cleaner that can dissolve the mineral deposits left by hard water. Next, fill your spray bottle with white vinegar. Don't dilute it. You'll need the full strength to combat the hard water buildup. Then spray the affected areas with the vinegar. Be generous and ensure you cover all the buildup. Allow the vinegar to sit and work its magic for about 15 minutes. This gives the vinegar time to break down the mineral deposits. After 15 minutes, take your soft cloth and gently wipe away the vinegar and loosened buildup. You should notice the buildup coming off easily. If there are still stubborn areas, give them another spray of vinegar and some additional scrubbing. Remember, patience is key. It may take a few rounds of spraying and wiping to completely remove the buildup, particularly if it's been there for a while. But the result is worth it. Shiny, clean surfaces free from unsightly deposits. And there you have it. A simple, natural, and effective way to tackle hard water buildup in your home. For a permanent solution, install a Soft Pro water softener. They offer the best salt-based and salt-free water softeners available. No more battles with stubborn scum or endless scrubbing. Now it's your turn to give this solution a try. Give your home a fresh, clean look and feel. Don't let hard water buildup rob you of the joy of a sparkling home. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. So go on, grab that bottle of vinegar and start scrubbing, or purchase a Soft Pro water softener and start your journey towards a buildup-free home, sparkling appliances, dishes, soft skin, hair and laundry, and leave the endless scrubbing behind.